All right, boys and girls, we got some Portfolio sold out. So here we go. I'm gonna have to do this break quick. My camera, I didn't notice had so little time left on it, so I got a couple breaks to do and make sure I don't run out of time. Because I got Anthology and then this Portfolio first. Oh, Keith, your name got cut off, so you're Keitel now. Keitel. All right, James, you're gonna get 3 darts, Chuck 6, and then a bunch of wheel spins, and see what happens. So James, 3 darts for you, buddy. Single 15, double 5, and single 14. Oh, nothing too pretty on that one. Chucky, you're getting 6 darts. Single 12. I did add some nice little things to the dart bag. I added a Champs SP spacer and an extra canvas spacer because I got about a whole bunch of canvas cards coming home. Boomsaw C for Chuck. Single 4. You got the C and the M. Single 15. Triple 16. And triple 18. Triple 8, sorry. So there you go, loyalty points for Chucky. Alright. So some 5+ wheel spins starting with Sid. Then we're going to Jack B. And then James, and Daniel, and Keith. A bunch of 5+ers in this one. So Sid. Here you go. The Islanders. That's a good one. Because it would be a Hickey or a magnet, you're going to have to get a magnet. I don't think I have any Minnesota Wildish ones. We'll see. Well, you probably like this one. Beautiful. Ultimate Eichel. Patch tag, patch logo, fight strap tag. And I wish I had that card. Pretty sexy. For Sid. Eichel. Jack B. Wow, boo, Jason. And he talks about my Pine fans. He's worse. Philly for Jack B is a dart for Jack B. Let's see what you get. Rogers in 1 week. Oh, Rogers in week 1. Okay. Hey, Jack B got a B. That's beautiful. And a 333. And here come the boos. Nope. Okay. James, you're up. Oh, Toronto. That's a good one, James. So you're going to get a movie magnet and 6 darts. Movie magnet and 6 darts. Let's see what we got for you. There you go. Fletch. Good movie. Toronto and 6 darts for you. Was that a short print? 6 darts for double 15. Double 15 again. 17. Triple 4. You just want a refund for somebody. So if it lands on your team, you get a refund. Anybody else is going to get a refund. I haven't seen that one for a while. A Boomsaw U. Wow, going big here. Single 13, and you still get one more. Single 8. Alright. So let me grab that Fletch here. All those are yours. Make some room over here. Refund. Going to the eventually the Yotes. Go figure. Daniel, there you go, buddy. You're gonna get a refund later. I'll make sure you've seen. I'll send it tomorrow after you've seen the video. So that's a good one. That's like 15 bucks, I think. Yotes. All right, and now Daniel gets a wheel spin too. I can't speak very well. Like 12 minutes in, and the video. Oh, Florida. Florida for Daniel is a dart. Oh, the floor is getting lower. Hate when they do that. All right. Single 2. Oops. And finally, Keith. Or Keitel, as it says on the sheet. Harvey Keitel. No. The Rangers. It's a good one, Keith. You're going to get 5 inserts. I know how much you love your inserts. So, sorry about that. Because the Rangers are Ed's 5 inserts reward. So let me see if I got any Leafs for you. Oh yeah. I have exactly 5 Leaf inserts left for you. So you're gonna get the Grabo Hot Box. You get a Clarkson. You're gonna get a Sundins on it, and you're gonna get a Team Leaders with Reimer, and you're gonna get a Dave Keon base. So there you go. 5 inserts for you. Your favorite thing ever, Todd. All right. So that was that, and there. Okay. Let's go. I was gonna do it, but I'd have to write it. I'd have to write it all down on the sheet, so it's just easier to do it this way, without doing the online thing. Because I'd have to sit there and click it, and then write down each start, and it'd be like really annoying. And if you've seen my box breaks, I don't need them getting any longer. Does that not have a sticker on? Yeah, it was really easy to cut because there's no sticker on there. That's weird. Rigged. I'm like, what? That's okay. I'm sure everybody will love those Bernier inserts that I give away in every break until they're all gone. Oh, I forgot to do the... whatever. Yeah, this is a special box. Specially rigged from Upper Deck. Alright. It's got Nathan McKinnon on the front. Wire photo for the LA Kings, Nick Shore. Shore is a nice card. I am going to come up with a new bonus. Yep. Oh, we got a jersey card. Again for the Kings. Anze Kopitar. Profiles material. Getting a single 20 for Chuck. Doing pretty good with the LA Kings lady. Oh, thank God, Keith. That's horrible. Linus Ullmark for Sid. The wrong Saber card, but a card nonetheless. Thankfully there's no short prints in this thing. Gallagher, Pacioretty wire photo for Montreal and Daniel. Matt Murray for Sid. It's a good one. Matt Murray's going to be like sought after. Whoa. Wayne Gretzky for Chuck. Enough Kings cards yet? Nikolai Goldobin for Keith. Sharps. Wire photo. Montreal, Mike McCarron. Mike McCarron for Daniel. Wow. Really? Like, seriously? Ugh. Black and white Vladdy. Vladimir Tarasenko for Sid. Those are cool looking. The photo's kind of speckled and stuff. Looks like a newspaper, old school. Yeah, and if you're around tomorrow night, I have got a ton of awesome Boom Sauce cards at the ready. So hopefully the bids are decent. Boston, Jack B. He's got a Frank Vetrano, rookie phenom. Hey, Detroit and Jack B. Andreas Athanasio, rookie phenom. Speedy Gonzalez. That kid's pretty awesome, actually. Oh, let me get away. I missed your yays, Jack. You always yay. Well, here's a good one for you, Jack. Dylan Larkin, phenom. Not the greatest photo of him, because he's all like, where are all the white women at? Quote from Blazing Saddles. Thank you very much. I have a Blazing Saddles magnet too. Here we go. It's Boria Solving wire photo for Keith. For the Rangers, Oscar Lindbergh for Sid. Packs are continuing to be a pain. There is the Domi. Free team, won by Daniel. You get a Domi out of it. And naturally, the second Wes comes into the room, I pull a Domi card. Yeah, just saying. Like, literally to the second. Now he's going to leave again. It's like, rage quit. See? What we got for the Blues? Tarasenko wire photo. That's Sid. Still going to get some auto in this one. Or something. Jonas Donskoy for Keith. Another one of those. Oh, we got a jersey card in this one. Ooh. Oh, I think it's a SB Game Used update autograph, actually. It is for the Minnesota Wild. Christoph Berchi. Going to Keith. Keith, you get the auto and the double 20 that goes with it. Charles Houdon. Daniel. dropping a piece of pack left over there. And last pack, Mojo. Portfolio. I got a case of this stuff up, guys. It's going to be fun. Got a ton of inserts to go around at the very least, and some good hits. It's going to be Noah Hannafin. They do have a lot of the top rookies spread around this. Going to James. Noah Hannafin. And that is it for that one, boys and girls. Alright. I'll catch you all on the next break in a few minutes. Some anthology.